Hi everyone, how are you all? This is Sri. I'm going to solve the question digit into digit question in Codewars in Python language. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe my channel. If you like my video, please do like my video. And if you have any queries or any doubts or anything to say, please mention in the comment section. And also don't forget to share to your friends, and also don't forget to subscribe my channel. Today the question is digit into digit. See, the question is, in this kata you are asked to square every digit of a number and concatenate them. That means they are given a digit number. We need to square every digit and also concatenate them. Concatenation is a operation that comes in string, right? So by using str function we are solving this question. Here see, 9119 is given through the function. We need to return what? 81181. That means 9. 9 its square of 9 is 81. 1 square is 1, and another 1 square is 1, and also here 9 square is 81. So we need to return it. Another example is 765. We should return 493625. That means square of 7 is 49, square of 6 is 36, and square of 5 is 25. That here they gave an integer, and it's our responsibility to return integer also. So this point we should remember in our mind. Okay, let me start code here. See, here num is an integer. They gave, right, function accepts an integer. That means they sent argument as integer only. So we need, in order to iterate the digits in a number, we need to convert into string. So how we are converting into the string? By using str function. After converting, we are storing in the variable name a. So we are converting. So for early identification, I am writing here that converting number into string to string. Okay, after that we are taking an empty list. Why I am taking empty list, you can know later. You will know later. After that I am iterating each element of a. That means after converting into string, I am iterating it. We can't iterate the numbers, right? So we are converting into string. How we are iterating? J be the variable of iteration, and iterating it. After iterating it, we are adding each element of j into the b after converting into integer. Here only we are converting the elements of string into integer. How? I will show you. See, adding each element in the string into the list, we use append method. Append method is used to add the elements into the list. Okay, after that I am saying the right, we are converting into the integer each element. So how we are converting? By using int. Int is a function which is used to convert any data type to integer data type. Yes, right? Here I am saying that why I am converting to integer, I will let you know later. Converting each element into integer and then appending into b. After then doing this, we are taking an empty string. Why we are taking empty string? That in order to concatenate each square, we need a list. We need a string. So I am taking string. Taking empty string. After that, I am iterating each element of a list b. How I am iterating for I in b? Iterating each element in list b. Okay. After iterating, we are adding to the string C. How we are adding? C is equal to C plus. Why I am converting int of j? In order to multiply each element square times, right? So I into I. If we do like this, then the error will come because we can't concatenate string and also here integer, right? I. So in order to avoid this, we are using str function. After multiplying I into I by using str function, we can concatenate it. Then after doing it, we are returning. We can't return simply C because it is a string. So in order to convert, we using C. Let me check. Test. See, it completed. Attempt. See, all our test cases are passed. Nothing is failed here, right? See, if you are not satisfied, you are thinking that it is a big one, and if you are no Python list comprehension, I will solve you by using list comprehension method. How I can solve you? Let's check it. I am please note this answer, and if you know list comprehension, I will solve you in another method. Let's check it. See, I am taking a is equal to, by using list comprehension I am solving int of j for j in str of num. See, first I am iterating as per list comprehension. Second must be for loop. So I am iterating each digit in the number, but after converting into the string. That means by using str function I am iterating. After that I am appending to a after converting into the integer. So int of j for j in str of num. Who knows list comprehension, they can easily. If you don't know, I can say you that what we are appending we are using in the first half of uh, list comprehension, and the next thing what we are using for loop we are using here. If there is an if condition, we are using as a third statement. Okay. After that, like before only, like as before, we are taking an empty string. After that, we are appending like before only str of, sorry, we are taking each element in the a. We are taking on each element in the a, and we are appending to it. How we can append that? We need to do integer I into I, right? Because we need to square of it. We can't add string to an integer. So we are, by using str function, we are converting the square of a number to an integer and then adding it. I'm returning it. Let's check. See, correct. Please comment in the section which method is very happy for you, which easy for you. So please comment in the section. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.